Good morning and welcome back to another video, and this is finally the day where we are gonna do the last wall of our siding. As you have seen in the past video, we have done already three walls of the siding, and today's the day where we're gonna do this side. So let's get started. First, put the metal on the bottom, tape all the holes, and see how far we can actually get with all the wood we have, because that is not the most, so hopefully we're gonna be able to get quite far. Let's get started with all the small little jobs and then get the nice wood on and make it look beautiful.
So we are done with all the prep. We have put the net, the metal net, to protect against rodents in the ventilation area, and we also installed a cable for a plug down there, and this is for exterior lights that's gonna go in the middle. That's why I've left it here looped up, just so I can exactly measure how much I need it. But once we have the siding on, because I still need to run that cable on the framing. But we are ready to put the siding on, so let's get started and see how far we get. Yes.
Can you be more careful?
That was an important part of the window.
I have it on camera as well, how casually it's just like way down. How would they know?
Honestly, it looks like it has never been broken.
So?
It's just that it doesn't hold on.
Is anyone gonna know? How would they know? Perfect. We have finished our pile of leftover cutaway pieces, and that's how far we have gotten. It looks a bit stupid. We don't want to continue on this one because we want to do the long sides and see if we get any cutaways from that side so we can add them up instead of cutting up a big board. Since we are really tight on wood, so let's now continue with the long side. And yeah, continue then after with the top once we have some leftover wood, which hopefully we're not gonna have too many leftover, so we can have as much wood as possible going on the siding so we can finish quite high up. So yeah, because we're not sure how tight we are with wood and if we're gonna have enough. So yeah, let's continue on with the big side of the wall. We did 9 rows of wood on this side as well. We were, as you saw, we put the window trim on and we were about to do also the one that goes below the window. But it is getting pretty cold. It is close to minuses already getting. Today is supposed to be one of the harshest minuses, so we're already starting to feel it. It's getting quite cold. And yeah, also a bit dark. This camera is a bit lying. It makes it a bit more brighter than it actually is. So we rather want to do it tomorrow once we have the full focus so we can do it properly so we don't mess up. So yeah, we're gonna leave it to this and we're gonna continue on in the morning.
much left?
It does not really look so promising that we're gonna be able to finish that wall with whatever is in here. Unless we start pitch patching all of these tiny ones. No, I still don't think it would be enough. So here we have the last 4 boards that are 4 meters 80, and the reason why they're the last ones is because of this and
that one is real bad.
this one.
That's just should not be sold.
Yeah,
Like it's covered in holes. It's not like just one hole.
it has like holes everywhere. That's why they are kind of the last resort, because we hope they would have enough.
I think I just use this,
But
and we might use a filler and fill that up.
Yeah, we might anyways be buying filler for all the
Most of
holes.
Yeah. We have to fix them. We can't leave them. They're just openings in the wall.
Birds will enjoy them too much.
A bird will straight away touch that through, thinking it can make a nest.
We have reached the same level and amount of rows all the way across as on this side, and we did get some cutaways, so we could continue and finish off this side, but we have 2 small little, well, not really little, but 2 problems. One of them is that we are running out of tape, and yeah, for this siding, before we did the siding, we did by 2 rolls and another 2 rolls. So we are running out of those rolls so quickly just because of the birds keep on pecking. So we pretty much have used 1 roll per side. Well, more because we run out of it. And the other problem is we are almost out of wood, as you saw. So that is a bit of a problem as well. So yeah, I guess this video is gonna end once we run out of tape or wood. So yeah, let's continue as far as we can get, hopefully halfway point. So yeah, let's see where the tape and wood will stop us.
We're out of tape, I think, more than anything. There's a lot of holes there. I gotta tape it. Maybe to get all this away from here before it gets wet. No? So that's the last piece of tape. We are officially out of tape, and we only have 5 boards of wood left, which would do another 2.5 lines, because we need 3 boards to go all the way through. But yeah, we are a bit short on boards. Reason is because we use it for trims and windowsills, so that took away quite a bit of boards, and also we used some for other projects. But yeah, we almost had it correct calculated. I think if we didn't use them up anywhere else, we would have enough. But yeah, we need to go and get some more planks, and another roll of tape should cover it, even though the most damage of the whole house of the bird caused damage is on this part here, on the second floor of this side. And also the most of the tape that has fallen off is on here. So we need to remove the tape that's falling off and put this good expensive tape on instead. But we're going to be ending the video here because we don't know when we're going to get back on it, because it does say 1 week of rain, which is really unfortunate since we really don't want these to get so wet. But I hope that a big wind and dry weather is going to dry them back out, and well, it shouldn't really get that wet as long as it doesn't rain really sideways. If it's just really calm rain like now it's starting, then we'll be fine. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video. We are nearly done with the siding and we can have these roof tiles on. This is going to protect, of course, this whole entrance as well. It's going to be really gorgeous. It's not really going to change much because the roof tiles we're using are going to be a secret. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and we're going to see you in the next one when we finish up the siding and have it finally nice and done. And then we just got to paint it. Let us know in the comments what paint you think we're going with. Some of you suggested the paint we actually had in mind, but chose not to do it. We chose a different one.